everyone, Namaste. Greetings to all of you. I hope you are in the best of health and spirit. My name is Gayatri Mahuru and I am an artist from India. I am glad that you are here. Welcome to our channel. Today we will be painting this beautiful, simple scenic beauty using some simple color scheme and following some simple steps. So let us see what colors we will be using for this painting. Cadmium yellow or cad yellow, otherwise you can take any yellow you have. Phthalo blue or any blue you have. Scarlet lake or any red you have. And titanium white. Only we are using 4 colors for this painting. You can see lots of greens here, but we made our own green from these colors. So let us see what brushes we will be using. This is number 12 flat brush. You can also call it a bright brush. And a simple basic fan brush. And number 4 flat brush, or you can take a filbert brush. So that's it. If you want to paint with me, get everything ready and let's paint together. So in the first step, we are taking blue with white and a very little amount of red to paint the sky part. You may ask me why we are not taking blue color directly without mixing red. See, we can't take a single color every time. That won't look natural, so we have to mix some other color to get that natural effect. I'm painting the sky slantly. I don't know why I got habituated to this, but you can paint it horizontal also. I don't want my sky to be very vibrant in this painting. I don't want the sky to dominate the other elements of our painting, so I'm not giving that vibrance to it. In the second step, we are just drawing the mountain part. I'm roughly drawing. If you want, you can use a pencil or a charcoal stick instead of the brush directly. For this mountain part, we are taking red and blue in equal proportions and adding a little white to get this grey shade. Generally, if we mix red and blue, we will get purple. But in this case, we are not getting that color. You know why? We are using Scarlet Lake. If you mix Crimson Lake with blue, you will get a vibrant purple, but in this case we are using Scarlet Lake and blue. These 2 colors will give you a dull shade of purple, but again when we mix it with white, that turns into grey. Painting is nothing but understanding the lights and shadows. So you can see we are having a dark shade on one side of the mountain and light shades on the other. By mixing blue and yellow, we can get green. The depth of green depends on how much blue is added to the yellow. So if you are adding more blue to the yellow, you will be getting bluish green. If you are adding more yellow to the color blue, you will be getting yellowish green. If both are taken in equal proportions, you will be getting leaf green. So we will be using all types of greens here to make the water look natural. I feel like we need to add some more contrast to our mountains. So again I'm adding red and blue. See, every time I used to say we have to paint in layers. Don't rush. Paint in layers so that you will get that depth. I'm adding white to the sky part. There are two ways to increase the contrast. One is you can make the lights more lighter, or you have to make the darks more darker. So I'm doing both of them. In the sky part I'm increasing the brightness, and for the mountains I'm increasing the darkness. Let's add some details to the water. Though it is a stagnant water, we need to add some lights and darks so that it looks natural. And I'm taking blue and yellow in different proportions to make different shades of green here. It's time to add the greens to the mountains. So let us take some yellow and blue to make two different shades of green. Firstly, we are taking some darkest shade and just giving that on some areas on the mountain. We will be using three types of greens here: darker, medium and light. I hope you can feel the magic of the fan brush. It adds texture to your painting and very effortlessly. So here you can see all the three shades of green: dark, medium and light. So that's it, our painting is ready to display. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, keep painting, keep creating, keep experimenting, and keep healing yourselves. Take care.